Day 29. Run 10 miles a day for 30 days. I feel like it's gonna be a good day. Let's go. Woo! Woo! I'm going. I'm on a groove, baby. Let's go. Feeling good, feeling great. Let's keep going. Keep on keeping on. I was feeling good until I wasn't. Whew, what a ride. I'm gonna keep going. Keep going. Day 29. Run 10 miles a day for 30 days. One more day. One more day. 10 more hours and the glory is mine. Woo! What a run. Good run today. Felt good. Strava, I thought, was actually working again. So my Strava hasn't been working for 2 or 3 weeks. It's been glitching. So I still record it for the time, but I use a distance on my Fitbit. But it's been crazy, and then it has me running like 3-minute miles and 5-minute miles, and I thought Strava was going to be okay today because for the first 5 miles it was in line with my Fitbit. Then kept running and nope, it decided to bug out again. So at least for the first 5 miles I was able to see my splits, and it started off a little bit slow, around 12 minutes, like 11, high 11s, and then that was the first mile. Second mile was like 11, and then the third mile was 10, and then the fourth mile was 8:19, and the fifth mile was 8:40 something. So I was on a good one. I was running. Mile 6 was a little bit slower, and then 6 or 10 was like, oh, okay, like, never mind. I'm gonna slow down. My body kind of hurts, and the last couple miles I definitely slowed down. But overall, still a good time, under 11-minute miles. 11-minute miles per mile. Yeah, there it is. And yeah, I just feel good, and it's hard not to think about tomorrow, the next day, and to be like, dang, I'm almost done. So yeah, wow. I'm excited. I'm happy. Happy Monday, by the way. And it's just a good way to start off my day. And I think I'm gonna keep this rolling. And if you didn't watch my other video that I posted last night, I will be attempting to run. Not attempting, I will be doing it. I will be running 365 days in a row. And my first day was actually March 29th, so including this streak, I ran the day before this as well. So I started on March 29th, my first day running, so from there I'll go to 365. So most days I'll be running 3 to 5 miles, but if I really need it, I'll run 1, if necessary, anything to run. So I'm also going to be putting in like ultra miles too, so back-to-back long runs. I'm excited to put in like a longer run to see how my body fares, to run like 15 miles, 20 miles, and then back-to-back that with like another 10 to 12. So I'm gonna try that first. I'm gonna try like a 15 to 20 with a back-to-back 10. So yeah, I'm just excited. Oof. Sometimes you just gotta stop and take it in, or in my case, keep running and take it in. And that's what I was trying to do today. When I was running, I was really trying to enjoy it, and that's why I sped up. It's just like, oof, like, yeah, just running, feeling good, feeling the music, feeling the breeze, the weather, the sun. Hear the ducks quacking, the geese geesing, and yeah, I'm just really trying to take this all in and really try to enjoy the moment, enjoy being out there, enjoy the pain, enjoy the suffer, enjoy the body aches, and yeah, you just enjoy it. Enjoy the process. That's what it's all about. It's not necessarily about the end goal, it's about the process. And the process is what makes you stronger because without the process you can't get to the end goal, but the process is what gets you to the end goal, and that's what helps me push through it. And that's just with really anything that I do. I really try to, like, I aim for something, like that specific goal, but I really want to enjoy the process, right? And then it's the same thing with making YouTube videos, and it's like document, don't create, and then learn to love the process. And it really helps me personally when I love to learn, and I really mean that. And it's just figuring it out, and it's resourcefulness. And I feel like that's one skill that it's hard to teach resourcefulness. And luckily, I've been fortunate enough to learn that in my life, in my job. So, on my first real job, not my first real job, but I was 3 years ago, I was a healthcare recruiter, and that job really taught me how to be resourceful. And if you don't know, you got to figure it out, and that's what it is. And that's not a skill that you necessarily learn overnight. I'm like, yeah, it makes sense, be resourceful. But to actually really know how to be resourceful is a skill in itself. So combine resourcefulness with the desire to learn, and that's what makes me enjoy the process. That's the formula. There you go. That's what I was thinking. So the desire to learn plus resourcefulness is a love of the process. Is that what I just said? I think so. I don't know. I might have to look back at that. I'm a little bit tired right now, so not tired, yeah, I'm tired. But yeah, resourcefulness. So definitely a skill to learn. And yeah, so thanks for sticking around this far. Thanks for sticking around to follow my journey. And it's been a good one, and it doesn't stop here. It doesn't stop tomorrow. It keeps going. I'm going to keep going. And yeah, thanks for supporting my journey. All right, if you haven't liked this video, or if you haven't followed, dang, I'm literally can't words. Yeah, I can't words. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. See you tomorrow for the final day, day 30.